The use of drones in military operations is not new. For years, they have been employed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even targeted strikes. However, recent advancements in artificial intelligence have significantly increased their capabilities, making them more versatile and effective. Drones are no longer just remotely controlled flying machines. They have evolved into sophisticated tools that can perform complex tasks. They are now becoming increasingly autonomous, capable of making decisions and carrying out missions with minimal human intervention. This autonomy allows them to operate in environments that are too dangerous for human soldiers. This shift toward AI-powered drones has sparked both excitement and concern. On one hand, they promise to reduce the risk to human life in combat situations. The integration of AI into drone technology represents a paradigm shift in warfare. It changes how military strategies are developed and executed. AI empowers drones to process vast amounts of data, identify targets, and even engage in combat with unprecedented precision. This level of accuracy was previously unattainable. Imagine a drone that can distinguish between enemy combatants and civilians in a crowded urban environment. This capability could potentially save countless lives. This is just one example of how AI is transforming the landscape of modern warfare. The future of military operations is being reshaped by these intelligent machines, and the implications are profound. One of the most significant AI features being implemented in military drones is autonomous navigation. This allows drones to fly pre-programmed routes, avoid obstacles, and even adapt to changing weather conditions without human intervention. This is made possible by sophisticated algorithms that enable drones to perceive and interpret their surroundings in real time. Another crucial AI feature is target recognition. AI algorithms can be trained on vast data sets of images and videos to identify specific targets, such as enemy vehicles, weapons, or even individuals. This enables drones to differentiate between targets and non-targets with remarkable accuracy, reducing the risk of collateral damage. The integration of AI significantly enhances the capabilities of military drones. Autonomous navigation, for instance, allows for longer flight times, wider operational ranges, and reduces the risk to human pilots. Drones can now be deployed in hazardous environments, such as areas contaminated by chemical or biological weapons, without putting human lives at risk. AI-powered target recognition also improves mission effectiveness. Drones can now identify and track